Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your tracks to your SoundCloud account. Here we go. So here I am in my SoundCloud profile, and I specifically use my SoundCloud profile for my voiceover work, either for my demos, for my industry-specific samples, or for background music that's going to go in either like meditation, voiceovers, or like phone system voiceovers, whatever. So to upload your tracks, the easiest way to do that is just to go to this button up here at the top, Upload. And you can see that you can just drag and drop your tracks and your albums here, or you can just click on this orange button right here to choose your files to upload. There's also this really nice little button right here that says make a playlist when multiple files are selected. That's really, really nice and convenient if you already have either samples or background music that already is in a specific folder. You can just upload that all together and SoundCloud will make that playlist for you. For this, I'm just going to show you how to upload just single tracks. And the privacy is public. So I'm going to go ahead and upload some samples that are of me doing e-learning work that are specifically for kids. So I'm just going to go in this folder here and I'll do this one first, the animal puzzle. And I really do recommend that you go ahead and keep your titles consistent. All of my samples start with my name, Susan Fouche. And then I typically have like a dash after that, and that's it, animal puzzles. You can also change the URL right here if you want to. I'm just going to keep it the way it is. It looks pretty good. And my genre is actually not going to be music, but if you'll scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll come to audio. And you just simply click on the category that your sample falls underneath. For me, I would say this one is learning. And you can also put in some tags so that your audio will show up in searches. And you can put in as many tags as you want. I do recommend you putting in as many as you possibly can. You can also describe your audio. And I've said it before, I'll say it again, whenever you have a chance to type in a description about anything that you've done, take advantage of it. You can also add a caption, and the caption just simply appears like at the bottom where you would think a caption would. I always make all of my tracks on SoundCloud public, which just means anybody can listen to it. And I'm going to go ahead and save. And I get a little notification that I can master it directly on SoundCloud. Okay, great, got it. And here is what it will look like. Now, I can go ahead and drag and drop more tracks, more albums here, but let me just go ahead and just go directly to my profile and you'll see what it looks like. So it automatically picked up my picture from my profile. I can change that if I want to. And if I want to change anything within here, I just click on the edit button. Now, I do recommend for any of your samples that you have grouped together, I do recommend that you having consistent images for them. That could be like a specific headshot that you have, or it could just be like a JPEG that you've made in Canva. So for example, let's say that I want to use a particular image for all of my e-learning. And that's what I'm going to use for every single one of them. So when people come, they automatically know, hey, that's an e-learning sample. I'll go ahead and save it. And there it is. To upload more, you can just simply click on the upload button again and upload to your heart's content. In the next video, I will show you how to organize your tracks into playlists. And in a further video, I'll go ahead and show you how to change things around if you've made a mistake, if you want to add something to your playlist. So thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm a growing channel. I would really appreciate your support. And I will see you next time. Can't wait to see you. Have a great day. Bye.